In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a pop-out effect with Photoshop. I'm going to work with this laptop and also this Bulldog. So the first thing we'll do is select the laptop, I come to the Bulldog, I drag it and I drop it here. We're going to position the dog on the screen, and for us to be able to position very well, we need to reduce our opacity. We'll press Ctrl T for the sizes, rotate to suit the position of your laptop. Increase the opacity again so I can see my selection. I pick my quick selection tool and I click on select subject. I allow Photoshop to do the selection. After selection, I refine my selection by making sure every part is well selected. Okay, so after this selection, then we need to create marks. To understand layer marks, please take time out to watch this my video for explanation on how to make use of layer marks. So to create marks, I click on the layer, then I select marks. I might want to reposition my subject by dragging it a bit down. So the next thing I do is I will hide this layer, pick my polygonal laser tool and select the screen of the laptop. Make a selection of the screen of the laptop. Then I reveal the image again. The next thing I do is I invert this image by going to select and invert. I pick my brush tool, make sure the color is black by pressing X. Then I brush every part outside the laptop. Now I'm not brushing this hand because I want us to have that feel that the dog is trying to crawl out of the laptop. So I haven't done that. I'll need to invert the selection again, select, invert. You can use Shift Ctrl I. Then I reveal what I have in the screen by painting with white. Paint everywhere white to reveal what I have on the screen. Paint everywhere white to reveal what I have on the screen. Then I deselect by pressing Ctrl D. Voila! There you have your pop-out effect. Please like, subscribe to support this channel, keep learning and keep creating. Thank you.